So let's start with feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky. Keep the chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now bringing both arms up, we'll inhale, lengthen up with the left, exhale with the right. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Then take hold of the left wrist. Inhale, exhale over to the right. Come back to center, swap the hands over. Inhale, exhale to the left. And come in center. So swap the hands. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale over. Coming center. Inhale and exhale. Back to center. So one more. Oh, no more. And we'll roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. And place the hands on the shoulders, we'll circle with the elbows. And the other way. And reach both arms up, bend that left elbow, take the right hand to the elbow. So remember, keep the spine lengthened, crown to the sky. And then just leaning forward, swinging the arms. And then the other side, so bending that right elbow, take the left hand to the elbow. And then lean forward, swinging the arms. And then take the left arm up, then take the right one behind. If you can, bring the fingers together or wherever you get to. And then leaning forward, swinging the arms. And bring that right arm up, left one behind. Try and bring those fingers together. And release the hands, bring the arms in front and drop the head down. Then take the arms behind and just a little movement in the shoulders. Okay, take that left arm across the body, looking over the left shoulder. And then the right arm. Now we'll do the wide leg sweep. So take the legs nice and wide. Interlace the fingers. We'll inhale, twist, exhale, down and round. Again, inhale, twist, exhale, round. Inhale, lengthen up, twist, then exhale, round. Remember, nothing should hurt. Inhale, twist, exhale. So only go as far as feels good for you. Inhale, twist, exhale. So So take your time to let the body warm up. Exhaling down and round. Inhale, twist, exhale. You may gradually get closer to the ground, but don't force the movement. Inhale, twist, exhale. Last one. Inhale, twist, exhale. And bring the arms down. So balance pose, we'll do tree pose. So we'll weight on to that right leg and bring the left foot either to the ankle, the calf, or to the upper thigh. So find your focus point, squeeze the belly button in, hips facing forwards, knee out to the side. Now if you can, bring the arms up, palms together. If it feels better, you can always bend the arms more. So just find what works for you. So if it's too challenging to have the arms up, keep them at shoulder level or even hands to the chest. But if you've got the arms up, we're going to inhale, lengthen the arms, and exhale, relax the shoulders. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, relax. And inhale, lengthen. Exhale, relax. So keep pushing those palms together if you can. Down and swap to the other side. So weight onto the left leg. So placing that right foot wherever you do for your tree pose. So just take your time coming into the pose step by step. To remember, one side might be a lot easier than the other, and that's totally fine. Got the arms up, we'll inhale, lengthen, exhale, relax the shoulders. Inhale, reaching up, exhale, relax. So one more, inhale, lengthen, and exhale. But try and concentrate on the breathing. And bring the arms down. So standing pose, we're actually going to do triangle pose. So we'll turn the left foot 90 degrees and that back foot angled towards the front foot. That front leg stays straight. And we'll inhale, exhale to the left, bring that left arm down and the right arm up. Remember, keeping that body in one plane. Move back to center. Inhale, exhale, reach, one arm down, the other one up. And to center, inhale, exhale, reaching as far as we can. If the head and neck feels okay, look up to the right hand. And then come back to center, bring the arms down and swap the feet around. So remember, we're looking for that line from the front heel to the back arch. Keep that front thigh engaged and we'll inhale, exhale, reach, right arm down, left arm up. And back to center. Inhale, exhale, reach. And coming center. Last one. Inhale, exhale. So Lengthen out through the arms, lock into the upper hand, and breathe. Now we'll come back to center. Bring the feet hip width apart, toes facing forwards. Bring the shoulders back and down. Crown up towards the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Now if you feel comfortable, we'll close the eyes just for a few breaths. Then we'll open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we'll all